Hello, today we're going to talk about endangered species. An endangered species is a species in danger of extinction throughout all or a significant part of its range. If the species is called threatened, it's those that are likely to become endangered in the foreseeable future. Just to give you little facts, there are certain species that are endangered or threatened with extinction. 12% of the birds, 20% of mammals, 20% of freshwater species. So we have an Endangered Species Act to help with this. Started in 1966, okay, and in 1973 Congress adopted this act. And it does kind of differentiate between the threatened and endangered species. And it does give you a list of all the different plants and animals that are endangered. Okay, there's a U.S. Fish and Wildlife list, and you can see that if you go on that at any time, it does contain about 585 different species. And then there's an international list that you can see that there's about 41,000 different species that are threatened or endangered worldwide. Extinction is a natural part of evolution, okay, and we do have a lot of biodiversity that does occur, but the main problem is that we are a big threat. Humans are a big threat to our biodiversity and putting animals or plants to extinction. We've already talked about the pesticide DDT that was hurting the bald eagles, eggs, and so forth. We constantly are destroying habitat, hunting, and global warming is occurring. Okay, these are just some examples of things that have been extinct. Tasmanian tiger, it's been extinct since 1933. Caspian tiger was declared extinct in 2008. Ivory-billed woodpecker hasn't been seen since the 1930s, but maybe we see them every once in a while, but still ornithologists, which is a bird scientist, they do consider them to be extinct. Mountain gorilla, again, habitat destruction, warfare, has really have declined the mountain gorilla population. And the bald eagles, we are increasing their population because of different breeding programs and different programs that are put in place to protect them. Okay, and then the Javanese rhino, again, the poachers were wanting the horn. Okay, so they have reduced it to a very small population. Okay, so we'll do a little project on endangered species, but if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.